Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reinstall your laptop keyboard driver on Windows 10 or Windows 11. If your keyboard isn't working properly, follow along, and we'll get it fixed in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Open Device Manager. First, right-click the Start icon and select Device Manager. Once Device Manager opens, scroll down and look for the keyboards category. Click the arrow to expand it. You should see something like Standard PS/2 Keyboard, or a similar entry for your keyboard. Step 2. Update or uninstall the driver. Right-click on your keyboard entry. If you want to try updating the driver first, select Update Driver, and then choose Search Automatically for drivers. If it tells you that the best drivers are already installed, or if updating doesn't fix the issue, then right-click again and select Uninstall Device. When prompted, confirm that you want to uninstall the device. You might be asked if you want to restart your computer immediately. If so, choose No for now. Step 3. Scan for hardware changes. After uninstalling the driver, go to the top menu in Device Manager and click on Action, then Scan for hardware changes. Windows will automatically detect your keyboard and reinstall the default driver. Once the keyboard reappears in Device Manager, you're almost done. Step 4. Update Windows. It's also a good idea to update your Windows if any essential updates are pending. Right-click the Start icon, select Settings, then go to Windows Update on the left side. Click on Check for Updates and install any that are available. This can sometimes resolve driver issues as well. Finally, restart your computer to make sure all the changes take effect. When your system boots up again, your keyboard should be working properly with the reinstalled driver. If you still experience issues, feel free to drop a comment below and I'll help you out. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.